Hello guys, welcome to another Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today, we are trading the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, where we will capture a very good move. If you like this video, please make sure to like and share it. I am placing trades here based on the risk level which I have already calculated in advance. See you guys in a little while. Guys, currently I have $3,982 in this account which I am going to grow. Our entry has happened at the right time which I am going to take full advantage of. Now let me explain to you the reason why I placed this buy trade. Let's head over to the charts. Guys, the market is continuously trending upwards, making higher highs and higher lows, according to which buying opportunities are repeatedly emerging here. Now the very first thing we will do here is create a trend channel, which will help us indicate the direction of the market. For this purpose I am using a trend line. The market is moving upwards, taking support at this trend line. These support points can also be referred to as higher lows. We will carefully connect this trend line across all the points, as the entire subsequent analysis will be based on this trend line. We will connect the second trend line at the higher high points. This trend line will act as resistance. Whenever an overbought situation arises in the market, this trend line will signal to us that the market could reverse from this level. For quite some time, the market has been moving upward within this channel, forming an uptrend pattern. For this reason, we have placed a buy trade here. Now to further confirm this trade, we will establish a strong reversal level, for which I am using the rectangle tool. At this level the market has created multiple reversal level. As a result, the market has established support and resistance points by utilizing the same level. Here you can see in the chart that the market has respected this level. Here the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. It is currently still creating support points here. This significantly increases the chances of the market moving upwards. Our analysis is now complete. From this analysis you should have gained an understanding of how to determine the direction of a trade. Now we will place our stop loss and target point so that we can exit the market at the right time. Guys, my stop loss will be below the strong reversal level and inside the trend channel, which is 8 pip lower. If the market hits the stop loss, it may potentially create a buying opportunity again from lower levels, and the target point will be 16 pip higher, which is double our stop loss. Because I am following a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 here, the market could reach the level where our profit target is set. Guys, we have started making a profit which is currently hovering around $100. If we exercise patience, this will continue to grow gradually, thereby enabling us to achieve our goal. This game is fundamentally all about psychology. I am now placing stop loss and target point. Guys, all our work here is complete. Now we just have to wait for the target to be hit. Guys, I want to tell you that even if you have a strategy with a high win rate, but your psychology is poor, you will still end up making losses in trading. In trading, the role of strategy is merely 10%, the remaining 90% is played by risk management and strong psychology. The trader who has diligently practiced risk management and patience is the one who has become a profitable trader. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button. I'll catch you guys later once either the stop loss or the profit target has been hit.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse.
Very nice, guys. As per our analysis, the market moved exactly as predicted. It went straight up. We witnessed this kind of movement only occasionally, since the market remains mostly sideways. Our analysis here was absolutely accurate, which is precisely how we were able to reach this point. The market is still trending upwards with strong momentum. Now I will identify and mark the next strong reversal level to show you exactly where the market is likely to reverse. At this level the market established a resistance point. However, it may now break through this level and create a support point here. As a result, a resistance becomes support pattern will form here, which is a strong pattern indicative of an uptrend. The market constantly repeats the same patterns because that is the very nature of the market. The trader who recognizes this nature is the one who emerges victorious. We are now closing our trade as our goal has been achieved. Guys, currently our running profit stands at around $2,300. This account originally held $3,982, which has now grown to $6,324. All of this has been made possible thanks to our strong psychology and strategy. Never change your strategy, otherwise you will constantly find yourself wandering in pursuit of one. If you learned something from this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.